Can we afford to buy a house? Do your financials allow you to invest such a big amount in a house purchase? Most people jump into home loans without checking if their finances are strong enough. A big EMI may look doable, but is it peaceful? It's always advisable to have minimalistic loans in life to be happy. A very large and a long-term home loan is definitely going to be stressful. Also, there are many other goals besides a house, like children's education, upskilling, travel, socializing, which are all very important to have a healthy, balanced life. Before buying a house on EMI, ask yourself, is your net worth at least 80% of the property value? For a rupees 2 crore home, you should at least have assets worth rupees 1.6 crores. Now, buy smart. Do a 40% down payment of rupees 80 lakhs and invest the remaining 80 lakhs in equity mutual funds. Take the longest possible tenure to repay the home loan for the remaining 1 crore. This should be only done when we are taking a loan despite having the required funds which is invested and is generating a higher return than the home loan interest rate. Assuming you take a loan of 1.2 crores for next 25 years, your EMI at 8% will be 92,000 per month or 11 lakhs per annum. This EMI per annum should be less than 30% of your annual income. Assuming a 10 to 12% appreciation in the equity assets in next 6 to 7 years, you will double the corpus of 80 lakhs to 1.6 crores. So after 7 years, you can either do a lump sum repayment of the outstanding loan amount or just do an SWP of 7% from your corpus. After this, you don't need to worry about your loan any longer. This corpus can also grow despite the SWP with efficient asset allocation and planning. Please note that it is very important to keep enough liquidity while taking a long tenure loan, as in the initial years the EMI goes only towards the interest payment. There is hardly any principal repayment that gets done. So if there is any income uncertainty or inability to pay the EMI, then it's a concern, as we hardly own the asset despite so many years of EMI payment. EMIs don't pause when life pauses in difficult times. Plan wisely and own peacefully.